Looking to free up space on your iPad by removing unwanted apps? Here are 5 ways to delete apps efficiently, even in batches. While Apple doesn't currently support bulk deletion, we'll show you how to use third-party software to get the job done. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to delete multiple apps on iPad from the home screen. Long press an empty spot on the home screen to enter jiggling mode. With icons and widgets wiggling, tap the minus sign on an app icon. Select Delete App and confirm with Delete. Repeat for each app, then tap Done to exit. Way 2. How to mass delete apps on iPad via Settings. In Settings, General, Own iPad Storage, swipe left on an app and tap Delete, then confirm. Repeat for each app. Way 3. How to delete all apps on iPad via App Store. In the App Store, tap the account icon, scroll to see installed apps, swipe left on an app, and tap Delete, then confirm. Repeat for other apps. Way 4. How to delete multiple apps on iPad by offloading apps. Open your iPad or iPhone and go to Settings, General, iPhone, iPad Storage. Select the app you want to uninstall. Tap Offload Apps. Way 5. How to delete all apps on iPad at once with Assistant for iOS. The methods above delete apps one by one, which can be time-consuming. With Mobikin Assistant for iOS, you can remove all apps on your iPad in one click, saving time and effort. Step 1. Download, install, and open the software. Connect your iPhone via USB, then tap Trust on your device. Step 2. Click Apps on the left. The software will display all installed apps. Step 3. Select the apps to remove and click Uninstall to delete them all at once.